Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today we're getting our spring clean on in the kitchen. And did you know that if you choose a music playlist with music between 120 and 160 beats a minute, like I'm rocking out to here, you will get more done. Brain science proves it. Charlie was laughing at me. He said I had to include some footage of me dancing because I'm constantly dancing every time I clean. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clear out the entire kitchen, which is kind of a pain, but it really only takes a few minutes, and that gives me a clean slate to work with.
We pick our clothes up off the floor, and then we both are at the door, wishing we could start something new.
I'm starting with the top of the cabinets, and it's always funny to see the random stuff you end up finding up there. You'll have to let me know in the comments down below the weirdest thing you've ever found stuck in a light fixture or on top of your fridge. Today I found some gummies that I never bought. I have no idea how those got up there, but I love this part because literally so much dust accumulates and you never see it, so it is so satisfying to get it out. I always clean the faces of cabinets for springtime, and a favorite hack is to use a bottle cleaner. You can find these at the dollar store. They work great on the knobs. My favorite rags to use on cabinetry are the crochet kind. You can make these, you can find them on Etsy, and I'm just using water and about a tablespoon of dish soap in a spray bottle. I wipe the mixture onto the cabinet, then I dry it off, and then I do the knobs with the bottle cleaner. It's really fast, and I can do the whole kitchen in about 10 minutes. I also make sure to get the lower cabinets right by where Owen eats and all of the lower drawers. Those tend to be the most disgusting. I'm not going in any of the cabinetry except for the under the sink cabinet. This was really gross in our house and I don't know why, but I took everything out and I put all of my cleaning supplies back in, and the cleaning caddy that I have is going to fit right to the right once I'm done cleaning the kitchen. Now on to deep cleaning the countertops. I'm going to take that same water and dish soap mixture and I'm going to spray it all over very generously. Then I'm going to take my rag and rub it in and immediately follow up working in sections with my polishing cloth. That's going to give your kitchen that showroom shine. I'll link the ones I use down below. I also made sure to clean the walls as well because that's not something I normally do, and food splatter always gets up there.
Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Now, one tip that I love is whatever flower you have in your home. You can see I made this Dollar Tree DIY lavender wreath in a recent video. I light a candle of the same scent. It makes the whole kitchen smell awesome, so even if you have artificial flowers, it makes you feel like you have real ones. Now on to cleaning the sink. Now, I do this weekly, but I wanted to show it in this video. Sprinkle baking soda generously at the bottom of your sink and then pour vinegar on top until you see the fizzy reaction. Then take a dollar store scrub brush, they are the best around, and scrub it into the sink. And a great option is to follow up with a lemon on the inside of the sink, and then take that lemon and stick it right in the garbage disposal when you're done. Add a few ice cubes and blend away. It will clean everything out. Spring cleaning is also a great time for detail work, just using vinegar and a toothbrush on your faucets. You can see I soaked this faucet in vinegar and then scrubbed it with a toothbrush. You will see a difference in water flow. Then I went through and cleaned surfaces I don't normally get a chance to clean, again, like the back of the chairs where the kids' hands are always touching, and even underneath of the table. The very last thing I do is go through with my cordless vacuum. I am obsessed with this thing. I'll link it down below. It's literally the most economical version I could find, but it does a great job, and I don't have to worry about a cord following me everywhere, so I can work fast. All I'm using is water, a splash of vinegar, and a splash of dish soap in the mop. This thing is bomb. It's awesome. It cleans the floor. It leaves it streak-free because you can control the amount of water that you put on the floor. I use it everywhere in my house, and I will link it down below. Do you feel motivated to tackle your kitchen? Leave this video a thumbs up if you did. I would love to show you more simple and budget-friendly cleaning ideas. And remember guys, spring cleaning isn't about doing everything. It's about finding a few things that are driving you crazy, finding the motivation to get them done, and working a little bit at a time. You don't have to have it totally perfect for you to feel like you did a good job. I mean, if I'm being honest, that's what I really need to clean. Oh.
Now there's all these groceries again.
Oh man, another mess.
It's dirty!
Yep.